Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make my version of Paella de Mariscos. Stay with me until the end of this video and I'm gonna show you the step-by-step of this recipe. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna boil the prawn shells. In the meantime, I'm gonna harvest flat leaf parsley and chop. I'm gonna dice red pepper, green pepper, onion, and tomato. I'm gonna use garden peas, prawns, slice the body of the squids into rings, soak the mussels in a water bath to remove seaweed and sand, and crush the garlic clove. Now the prawn stock is ready. I'm gonna put through the strainer. I'm gonna add saffron, turmeric, sweet smoked paprika, ground cloves, and cooking salt. I'm gonna also use paella rice. I'm gonna heat the olive oil, add garlic, onion, green pepper, red pepper, tomato, and the seafood. gonna remove the seafood. Add the rice. The prawn stock. And cook. I'm gonna return the seafood. Add garden peas. Adjust the salt. And garnish with flat leaf parsley. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!